Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Walsh. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow well. My aim is very simple: to help us have something in our pockets. That is the main aim. The reason being, 95% of us are employed. Not employed really, but get money. But then once we get money, what we think of first is spending. After we spend, the money is finished. After the money is finished, we are broke again. So ladies and gentlemen, many people work for a period of 30 years or 35 years. Some work for 40 years. 95% of Kenyans retire poor. That's according to research by Retirement Benefits Authority. Many people retire poor. So we are very poor at managing money. So I'm here to help us so that we can all at least be comfortable. We can reduce the number of poor people in Kenya, especially poor at old age. That is my main aim, to help us all in our management of money, in our savings, in our investing, and in our journey to growing wealth. My goal is very simple: to create 10,000 millionaires. 10,000 millionaires. And if you're not part of this family of millionaires or people who are on the journey to creating millionaires, join our Telegram group. We are on the journey to creating millionaires. Join our Telegram group and please subscribe. Click the red button and then click the bell notification. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And now the topic for today is very simple: investment lessons in 2021. Investment lessons in 2021, the first lesson is this: buy stocks. If you don't buy stocks, you will get dividends. But if you don't buy stocks, you will not get dividends. This is what I did. In the year 2021, I bought Stanchart Bank and I got a dividend check of 10,000. 10,000, ladies and gentlemen, is very good money. It can help you pay fees for your children. It can help you pay part of your holidays. You can also reinvest it back into the stock market. So lesson number one: buy stocks. No stocks, no dividends. Lesson number two: you need to read business news. Why is it important to read business news and read business trends? Listen. In the year 2021, Safaricom branched into Ethiopia. So before that rumor came in, Safaricom was about 36. Now when that rumor came in, Safaricom went from 36 to 45, giving guys a 20% return. And now at 45, there was another bad news that came in, that Ethiopia was fighting the rebels and the government. The rebels was fighting the government. And so again, what happened to Safaricom? Safaricom dropped from 45 to 36. 37, 36 are around that price range. And so, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important that you understand business trends because they affect your money, they affect your investments. The other lesson that you need to learn in 2021 is elections. Today, depending on when this video will be uploaded, we have Raila Odinga being selected or appointed or anointed as the ODM presidential candidate. And so next year we have elections. And so guys are very jittery. Depending on the history of Kenya, we have had some violent elections before. In 2021, in 2007, we had some post-election violence. In 2018, we had again some little election violence where about 300 or so NASA supporters were killed by the government in violence and demonstrations and things like that. So elections can be very, 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 very jittery. Can be very, very, very emotional. And people get killed. In fact, Kenyan elections, people have been killed all the way, I don't know, from 19 From when we started, 1969 elections have been there many times, and most of it has been full of violence. The famous one is 1988 Mlolongo. The famous Mlolongo, where instead of voting, people queue. So elections have been there. We have had Molo clashes in 1991, 1992. So we've had elections and we've had a lot of clashes and violence. The only peaceful election was the year 2002, where Kibaki was elected president of Kenya. And so, guys, you need to be very confident. When elections come, let me give you an example of 2007, 2008 elections. Safaricom was about 8 shillings. And during the elections, things kind of reduced. Of course, there was elections and then there was global financial meltdown. Safaricom price went from 8 shillings to about 2 shillings and 30 cents. That was a huge discount. And so guys who bought at that price, Safaricom then later rose, went up to about 45 shillings. Guys, that was a huge increase. And so you need to take good care of elections. When the elections come and people are jittery, buy in big volumes, buy in big numbers. I usually tell people don't borrow to buy stocks, but in this case, man, you go look for money. If you can borrow. Imagine Safaricom getting discounted, now it's about 38. Suppose during elections, and it gets discounted and price falls to 20 shillings. Go look for money. Buy everything during elections. Buy everything during elections. So don't fear of elections. Elections is a very good opportunity for investors, an opportunity for you to buy stocks at discounted prices. The other lesson you need to learn in 2021 is focus on the business. We are dealing with the stock market, but behind these stocks, there is the company. So if the company is not doing well, the stock also doesn't do well. If there is violence in Ethiopia and Safaricom is suffering, Safaricom stock also goes down. So focus on the business, focus on the profits, focus on the earnings, focus on the growth, focus on sales, focus on the underlying business, focus on the business moat. Moat basically means that this business is like a piranha. It has almost zero competition. Like Safaricom has almost zero competition. Airtel is trying, but wapi. Airtel can't match it. So 2021, focus on the business. The earnings, the profits, the sales growth, the management. Focus on those. And if you focus on good companies with good moat, with zero competition, then you are bound to see the share price of those companies increase. So ladies and gentlemen, those are the business lessons of 2021. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not in our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. That's where we discuss about the stock market 24/7. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Otherwise, thank you very much. Bye. See you in the next video.